Hello friends, today we will be finding out if the Moonlander Mark 1 by Ergodox can thack. We'll start by removing all of the keycaps and switches. Next, we'll unscrew the case. The first mod we will do is placing 2mm EVA foam into the bottom of the case. The Moonlander case has a lot of screw-ins and supports. Don't forget to cut out space for the silicone piece that protects the cable that connects the two PCBs. The easiest way to find all the places that need to be cut out is by getting an impression by firmly pressing the foam into the bottom of the case. The next mod we will do is PE foam for the PCB. This mod was a bit easier since the PE foam doesn't require as many cutouts. Now, we just reassemble the case. The fit is a bit tight due to the foam, so I did a round-robin screw-in so that I didn't put too much pressure on one place on the PCB. Now for the sound tests. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please hit subscribe.